Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply full makeup with only 4 products. These are the products that any girl can find at their home, and this video is actually inspired by my mom, who only has these 4 products, and I'm going to show you how to apply them in different ways to get the maximum results. So let's get started. So I have already prepared my face, I have cleaned it and applied also moisturizing cream, so we can get started with the foundation. If you don't have like a cushion like this, you can also have the regular one and just tap it with your fingers like this. And also don't forget under your eyes, where the blue circles usually are, just really tap the foundation really well in there, as we don't have any concealer here. So there you go. And the next step is actually, we're going to use the brow pencil to a bit contour your face. So we don't have anything else, but as it's in brown color, it's really going to work almost the same. Just make sure that your eyebrow pencil is not hard. So the softer it is, the easier it's going to be to blend out. But also if it's too soft, then it's a bit harder to contour your eyebrows. So somewhere in the middle would be the best option. So let's get started to that. So basically, how you contour your face, you start here and you draw a line, sort of like it's connecting to this outer corner of your lips. So once you draw that line, then you tap it out on. You can already see some difference between this side and this side. And you also contour this part. And also where your hair starts. And this one is crucial for those with very long foreheads. But you can visually make your forehead a bit not that long, let's say. Push it out. So here it really makes like a 3. Here it starts, and here. Yep. And also what I like to do is really contour my jawline. So basically on the bottom, and then blend it out. And then you repeat it on the other side. So there you go. We've contoured our face. So now we can go into filling our eyebrows with the same pencil. Then we can start with the eyes. And now we can take the lipstick that we chose. This time I chose to do it with the dark red color. So the first thing you want to do, you really want to either tap it on your finger or on your arm somewhere, so you can nicely blend it out like this. Yep. And then you can apply it on your eyes, starting from the outer corner. Again, we can use a bit of a help from the eyebrow pencil. finished, then we go to the other eye. And now you apply the mascara. And let's apply it as lipstick as well. Apply a bit of a blush on your cheeks, of course. But just take a really small amount, especially if you have a darker lipstick. And you're ready to go to a party, so you will only need these 4 products in your purse. Obviously, this look will not be very long lasting, but as you can keep all the products with you at all times, you can freshen up at any moment. And here you can see how this makeup will look like with different types of lipsticks. And if you do have different lipstick colors, you can try to mix and match them to get the different look, like for example this one. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for new lifestyle and beauty tips and tricks. So, see you soon! Bye!